I'm Zach Lartor at Carl Customs in the Upholstery department, and we just finished up this 1956 Bel Air Wagon. Customers wanting a custom interior. We went a little overboard, did seats and console modifications that we didn't originally plan on. We've got space in the back, is set up for air ride, so we had to go and make that easily accessible. We added a whole bunch of lights to it on the doors and rear quarters. I've added speakers in the front and rear, custom panels, new carpet, and suede headliner. So on newer cars, we really hide a lot of the fasteners, and I went for that same style in this, so a bunch of the panels are magnetic and all the fasteners that hold the panels are behind that. So he brought in a console that was already made. We stripped it down, I added a wood inlay and moved the cup holders around so that we could fit the air ride control in it. And then we put the radio up in the front, about where it would be, and added switches and power outlets underneath it. I start out with a cardboard or paper template of all the doors and side panels, kind of where I'm planning on putting panels, and then I can get it all drawn out on there with whatever shapes we're going to use. Then I go to whatever material we're going to use, which this one is all plastic, and I cut that out with either templates or just freehand on some of it. Like this one is 3 to 5 layers for most of the panels, whereas before we used to do 1, maybe 2 layers and some stitch lines in it. And this one just has more shapes to it, because it used to all be like a flat panel with 1 or 2 little accenty pieces in it, and this is entirely different shape. Every time he's come in here, he has been like a little kid in a candy store. He sees what's getting done on it and he gets really excited. Originally he wanted it to be a go get ice cream, you know, cruise around on the weekends, whatever. It should be a decent show car for him.